Well, a woman's menstrual cycle is governed by hormones. So by studying these hormones and what their levels should be, we can get a good idea of the overall picture of the ovarian reserve. The first of these hormones I want to talk about is antimüllerian hormone, AMH for short. AMH is produced by the granulosa cells of the developing follicles within the ovary. The greater the level of AMH, the more follicles are growing, so it is a really good indicator for your ovarian reserve. As your ovarian reserve declines with age, so do the number of developing follicles within your ovaries, and hence the AMH levels decrease with age. One of the advantages of the AMH test is that it can be done at any point within the menstrual cycles, although it is usually done at the same time as the other tests, simply for convenience. Normal AMH levels are between 0.7 and 2.9 nanograms per milliliter, although on the lower side of this, 0.7 to 0.9, does suggest that your ovarian reserve is beginning to become depleted. Values of less than 0.6 nanograms per milliliter show a low ovarian reserve, and values higher than 2.9 nanograms per milliliter show a good ovarian reserve. With high levels of AMH, do need to be careful when performing ovarian stimulation so as to avoid any risks associated with ovarian hyperstimulation syndrome. It is also important to note that patients with polycystic ovary syndrome also can have elevated AMH levels.